turn my living room into a workout studio. Tip studio! It is too bright! I'm going to figure it out. What the hell is this? Hi guys, and welcome to a new vlog. Today we are doing a special vlog because I wanna turn my living room into a workout studio. Like for a long time I wish to have like a home workout studio, like a proper one, and today is maybe the day that we are going to plan everything and just think about how we can use this room as a living room but also as a workout studio. So let's figure it out, and then we are going to do it in the next days, like getting everything done. And yeah, I just feel like I wanted to be more time efficient, so when I wake up I want to just change my clothes, get ready, and then just film and not like put everything in the living room to a studio and then just bring it back to a living room. Does it make sense? So I want to have it more time efficient and easier for me to film every single day. Since it is my full-time job, I really wanted to have as easy as possible, so that's why I wanted to have it, and me and my partner, we are going to turn it into my vision, and I'm super happy that we are able to do it. And even though we are like not having a cozy and beautiful living room anymore, I feel like having like a proper studio where I can always film my workouts is just much more beautiful for me, even though it is not for him, but maybe he's also fine with that. So yeah, this is just a vlog where I just show you how we are turning it into a workout studio slash living room. This is the TV, and here is the couch. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, my YouTube studio. It's not like a real studio, but I feel like it really looks so good. And here we are going to put the pictures up here, and here is our TV, and we are going to put this TV when we are watching. We are going to put it on this side here. So we can just roll this mat up and then put it here, and the door we have to close. And then that's it. And here is our table. So we are going to put it up here as soon as we repaired this one. And there is our balcony, but we are not using it right now because it is too cold. So yeah, this is my small living room and workout studio. You guys, okay, so I just filmed the workout, and I have to say I'm not sure if the workout is nice, like with the setting and with the lights, so I have to check. But it was a 20-minute full body workout, and I feel it everywhere, in my stomach, in my arms, in my glutes, in my legs. So this was very effective. I can feel it, and if you want to try it out, then you can click down below. I linked it for you guys. And yeah, this is the setup. I'm not like 100% happy with it because we have to still figure out some decorations, and then we have to figure out the light because the light is not light enough. So we have to get a bigger one, and yeah, that's what we are going to figure out in a bit. And yeah, this is the current situation with the couch, and I really love this couch, but it is just too big. Like, I always wanted to have like the perfect couch where you can also like sleep on the couch and stuff like that, but to be honest, that was so unnecessary. And now I just feel like it is too big. It could be half the size and then it would be perfect. Anyways, it is what it is, and I love the couch, and I also don't want to sell it, so we're keeping it. But we are going to figure out the light because we don't know where we are going to put the big light. So this is just a small one, but we are going to get a bigger one, like a really big light. So I'm not sure if it fits here. So we have to figure it out with the couch. But anyways, I'm super happy. I mean, we don't have like a cozy, beautiful living room anymore, but I have my dream studio. It is like not like my dream studio, but it is like one of my dreams, like to have a workout space where I always just can change my clothes and just can go right into filming without like setting up the whole place. And I love it. And I also like don't wanna rent a studio because it is too far away. And I also don't want to leave the apartment the whole time. And I just feel like a cozy home studio is the best thing. So I'm super happy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas for some decorations, then let me know in the comments and we are going to shop together. So now I have to make breakfast and I also have to take a look at the footage and just see is everything alright or do I have to like refilm it. So let's check it out. Let's see. I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so afraid to see the light in the workout because I feel like it will be too dark. At some point it will be too dark and at some point it will be just too bright. So oopsie. So let's see. Like, can you see the sun right now? Like, look at this. Like, it is too bright. It is just too bright. So, let's see how it looks in the footage. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I have to take like a picture. See? Pretty. Love it. I love it. And also, guys, I haven't shown you this one. It was a gift at the event and I absolutely love it. I can't eat it because I'm just like a freak and I just love it and I still have to figure out a place where I'm going to put it. But yeah, if you have any ideas where I can put it, then let me know in the comments. I'm not like super happy with it. It is really exhausting like to find the perfect studio, like the perfect home workout studio, but we have to work with what we got, right? So I'm not going to like be negative. I'm going to figure it out because we are going to figure it out. Let me show you. So this is how it looks right now. And you can see it will be, here is the light. So it looks okay, but I'm not sure. I'm getting ready because we are going to IKEA. So happy. And I'm using this lip pencil right here. It is in the color Plum. And it is my favorite lip liner currently. And I'm just going to overline my lips. And then I'm going to use this business casual lipstick from MAC. But before we apply this, we have to put some labello, and now we are going to add this lipstick up. I feel like this is the perfect nude brown pink lipstick. So I absolutely love this, and oh my god, my makeup is so not good at all, but maybe we can fix it a little bit with powder. I actually have to do it again, but I'm just too tired to do it again. Anyways, I'm also using this NYX Buttermelt bronzer in the color Do Butter, and I'm going to apply a tiny bit of this because this is really very heavy on the skin. And now we have some tiny bit of color to add it on my thing, on my forehead and on my nose. Like, what the hell is this? What is this? Ugh. Anyways, I can't fix it anymore. Anyways, that's the makeup and that's the outfit. Like, let's go, guys, let's go. Okay, so let's look for decorations for my home workout setup. So I found this one. This is so cute. I feel like we can also put like a Pflanze. This is actually perfect, but I don't like the color. The color is not beautiful. Also very cute because I can use it as like an equipment storage for my camera and then for all the cables. Okay, so this is what my living room looks like now. I know I still have to do the couch a little bit more beautiful, but this is the YouTube studio now. So the lights, so I can use them for my filming. And this is what I use to work on this couch. So yeah, this is what it looks right now, and you can still open the balcony, so you have so much space here. So you just put this chair here to the side and then you can open the balcony, and I feel like it is the perfect mix of a living room but also a workout studio. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.